Hello, greetings from Tipperary, Ireland. My name is Tom Kelly from Teagasc, and Teagasc are coordinating the FAIRSHARE project. And that project deals with enabling advisors to use digital advisory tools and services more in their interactions with farmers, thereby helping farmers with digitalisation of their farm businesses. So as part of that project, we have set up an inventory of digital tools which advisors can examine. They can upload their own tools and services that they use, and they can also see what other advisors are using throughout Europe, addressing the day-to-day challenges that farmers and advisors face and interact with on a daily basis. So just a typical example here is the digitalisation of animal identification systems. And here in Ireland, from next July, all newborn animals will need to be tagged with an RFT tag. That's the radio frequency tag. At the moment it's not compulsory, but in the future it will be compulsory. So we have had compulsory farmer-based tagging of animals for the last 20 years or more, and now we're moving towards more digital, because more and more of the information and the decisions that farmers make and the benchmarking of farm performance is dependent on good animal identification. And this is a system which is supported through the Irish Cattle Breeding Federation by the whole industry in terms of its ability to optimize and capitalize on the digitalization of technologies. And advisors are equipped on a daily basis to interact with their clients. They know this information, as much information as the farmer does, before they even visit the farm. And this is of course with the farmer's prior approval in terms of their the ability to deliver on that technology. So just to look again, and we can see here a particular animal here which has to have two tags. Equally, we can see the white tag here in smaller white tag is a tag that is inserted when this animal is genomically tested. So again, here we have genetic information on all animals in the herd, or a lot of the breeding animals in the herd.
So going back to the FAIRSHARE project, this project has been part of a family of projects supporting digitalization in agriculture, varying from very large projects like the Smart Agri Hubs, very specific projects like IPM Decisions, the Desira project, Arachnos Eureka, all of which are looking to make optimum use of digital technologies and in support of agricultural challenges which are faced by farmers. And obviously this impacts on advisors. But the FAIRSHARE project specifically looks at supporting the digitalization of agriculture through the services that are provided by advisors. So within the FAIRSHARE project, we have set up the FAIRSHARE PNF, which is a permanent networking facility and consists of the following: ADAT's inventory, which is digital advisory tools and services from all over Europe and further afield; an assessment tool which helps advisors to assess the suitability or applicability of individual tools; a set of good practice vignettes which explain the importance of certain characteristics of advisory tools and services in terms of their delivery in a digital format. So just to come back and have a look at that's inventory, we see there are at the moment about 250 individual tools and services linked here. There are a number of filters in the system, and I should have mentioned a search facility here, which allows people to search for specific tools and services. So within that, we can break these down by language, country, agricultural sector, category, And within the categories, there are three large divisions. There are communication tools, there are e-services type tools, and then there's organization type tools, which advisory services would use. So again, we have filters there around delivery mode, so whether they're suitable for phone apps or for PC only, or whether they're connected through broadband or connected through broadband or other connectivity issues arising with them. And also in the end, the challenges addressed. So within the FAIRSHARE project, we can conclude from surveys and workshops that we've conducted with both farmers and advisors that advisors have a huge role in supporting digitalization among farmers, and particularly in using tools and services to help farmers interpret the information and the data that they produce and that they're collecting increasingly on their farms. So I suppose the challenge that we face as well within the project is to ensure that advisors in many different contexts and countries, etc., benefit from this, and the FAIRSHARE will try and help to improve that by the sharing of the knowledge around digital tools, around good practices, etc. So I'd like to thank you for your attention and look forward to questions which you may have. Thank you very much.